In this video, I'll show you how to build an AI-powered feature. We'll use article keyword extraction as an example. After you enter the article title and content, the AI automatically analyzes the text and extracts 3 to 5 keywords. These keywords are then saved to the database and automatically establish the relationship. First, let's look at the data model. We need 2 tables. The article table stores the original submitted content, including the article title and body text. The tag table is used to store the keywords generated by the AI, which is the tag name. Since one article can have multiple tags, we need to create a relationship between the article table and the tag table. Here, I've already created both the article and tag tables and added a one-to-many relationship to the article table. Click Sync. Next, let's create the AI. We need 2 text inputs to receive the article title and content. Now for the prompt. I've prepared a prompt in advance. You can adjust it based on your business needs. Here we give the AI a role. In the task description, we tell the AI what to do. Make sure to reference the inputs from earlier. Yes, set the output type to structured. Because the number of tags the AI returns can vary, we need to handle this properly. So we create a text array field. No matter how many tags the AI outputs, they can all be stored in this array. This gives us results as data that the backend can use directly. Turn on required, then click sync. Next, let's create the action flow. Same as just now, we need 2 text inputs to receive data from the front-end page. This includes the article title and content. Set the action flow to async. Then run the AI we just configured. First, save the article title and content. Because the AI output and our database insert node is a list of tags, can only add 1 record at a time. We use a loop node here. The loop iterates over the AI output. Inside the loop, we store the current tag. The related article ID comes from the article storage step. In this loop, each tag is saved into the tag table. Click sync. On the page, add 2 input fields and 1 button. Bind them to the action flow. Click Preview. Enter an article. Click to trigger the action flow. Go back to the database. Here you can see the action flow ran successfully. The tags were saved successfully.